Okay, so una good evening. One choice hello for all man way the day for Tico, Limbe, Ekona, Moyoka, even the one day for the northern region. We hope say all man they fine. We salute honor for don't come for our talk show. And more for salute down there for Thailand, for Marasarakan, for Korat, especially Mama General for Korat. We say how you day. I hope say you day fine. So today we want to do something very different from what we don't always do, and we hope say so we go like So today in our first ever something like a debate where we get an open topic where people will call in for give their opinion and give their views about what they think about the subject, and we for here we will only comment or add something more for which they will talk on. So we got a list of people that will participate for today's talk. So much read and out all man here, and we go hope so when their time reach, they go feel call us and then they go feel contribute. So make I read the list. Okay, so the first person for the list now, Prof. Efange for Bangkok. So now you go be the first person for call for discuss on this topic. Say democracy. Democracy means what? Government way that the people them the choose them, and the government it be responsible for take care of the people, and the government it be not the people. That be my democracy. That the people they form the government, that the people they choose the government, and the government must take care for the people. That mean by democracy. So what talk for today nationality, this concept or this ideology, say democracy, it don't really work fine for Africa. We Africans, we don't really benefit from this concept, say democracy, or not just some kind of top way. It's not only for book, but normally they really do them for field. So I think I want to talk about them today. So the people they go participate for today's program, they will call in for give their opinions about what they think about this concept of democracy. So as I mentioned before, we'll get Prof. Efange will go call us for tell us what we think about them. And the second person will call us now our sister JB we for Sarakanye now I'm a Ugandan, so he will talk now for English. We'll give it to you, we'll talk what you think about them. The third person will call now Mama G. Mama G will call talk what you think about this democracy. They also get Mikle. Mikle then Sakona Konde, a very good friend of mine. He took a call. Then we get my other good brother, father too. I don't say to go call for talk about them. They get my brother too for Pechebu, Mr. Randy. He took up a call for talk about this issue. They'll get brother Etienne for Kalasinde. He took up a call. Then Mr. Alex will call. And the last person now, my other brother Pechebu, Mr. Eric. So hope say this so all them go the watch winner, and when their time for call go reach, then go call us or we go call them. And we'll basically meet them always meet them be connect their phone so that when we call them, meet them pick and meet them talk with we. And one of this so meet Omancha will be very brief because they're gonna just 3 or 4 minutes. Normally they drag them over. You know, so when they drag them over, it will become too boring. People don't like them again. So we would like I say this so meet any person. It just talk something small, important. It just try for do for choke all things together. Something people go feel make sense out of it talk. So before we start for call the people then for answer for talk, move it talk with our brother for panel here. And we'll start with Mr. I know we don't be it get something we don't have to be for show, but it's 2 show now because we get something so be happy say Mr. Ano don't come back. So Mr. Ano, how are they working now? How do you feel that they're not there for show? How which will go on with you?
Well, to people at Tankuna say last time you don't stay like 2 shows and so are not attending. I will be busy, I will be me and Madam for hospital. So I will get my daughter. So I'll be very happy. I missed the show, but I will partake when I will there for hospital. I will join the show. I will give my own suggestion there about the show. I'll be happy say as well come out. The show will continue with no problem. So I don't come back. Any way I give up for the show or any support, anything, I hope say country people they will follow up.
Okay, thank you. Our big senior brother for us here, Mr. Charlie. So tell us how are they working now, bro?
Yeah, Tori Master, Mr. Host, my day, he move on very well, especially how we get our newborn baby, where it did now, it feel free because it don't come for this world, even though this world na bone. They will tell we have new baby, say when a pa and a papa is there for a corner for it. 2 times when you attention because say every day now for make meetings they be okay. And for now, one tell on our country people say our Tory master dey 100% because newborn baby don't come. One beautiful baby, they don't come. So I want to tell una say the happiness when I see of my face today na because one come out for come for here, our baby day 100% okay. So the one give for that country people say a newborn is dey around. And it don't go take long. We go make una know say that newborn baby na only we go tell una for this show. Una say una go take una eyes and come see am. So my day is day very okay. And it's around una country people.
I'm from our corner here. Tolima for us, Mr. Ebai. Tell us what happened today.
All right, countryman, I'll be happy because normally the company show don't get one other person way now a newborn baby. Yeah. As soon as I see this glass water, them if at all we believe God say when the thing will continue, now she will put this glass water them.
That's so low.
Yeah, by that time, sometimes this company show will take place now for inside plane. Yeah, who knows? Yeah. Okay, countryman, the day we work fine as God they always plan them. They think that they go fine, countryman. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. And then before one start couple of us said I just want to take some few seconds and wait for us here. Just one minute each for give our own idea of what you think is the democracy and how we see them within African content. So we'll start with Mr. Ebai. Just 1 minute, just brief.
A late definition for democracy. Now government where the people themselves contribute they choose them for say may work only for their good. So now fine thing because play way government not be answerable for people. Now they way serious butcher they take place. So any play with democracy no they maybe better things. So thank you, countryman.
Okay, the next one, Mr. Tolima, Mr. Charlie. So tell us what to go on.
Now with democracy, me I look, as far as democracy, just as you put that from the onset, say that place na government that play the people, the low people, they put some money, may they be in control of everything where they need where the people they want them. But for Africa, when you say government for the people, by the people, or whatever to the people, see Africa, which I want to talk Africa, we abuse this word democracy because people, you see the low people will carry you put them for some place. They give you their vote, say you can't be that person when you will do all their things, but immediately we put you for there. You not careful, know whether how the people they feel. That's what I say for the people. And you know what I mean for hear that word. By the people, you don't want even for you believe say now you be or totone. That place so whether now would wait till it happen, you cannot. Man, you say now 1 minute, right?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Okay, now so that's just what I want for that place.
Yes. Okay. Okay, we'll continue. So get our first caller, Mr. Ifange. We're going to tell me about what you think about the idea of democracy. Well, good evening, sir.
Good evening, all. Wanna hear me so?
Yeah, we hear you.
Yeah, countryman. Move on.
I saw all my way there for deal. I want to ask now when.
Again?
Bon house go be now when.
No, we will tell you now.
The company show will announce
Mr. Fange. For now, we just move. We go tell country people and the way but house go be because the baby, this beautiful baby don't already be around. So we'll just say move carry on. Then after we will let country people. We go no fit only be now only the company show for seminar only we should not for chop that small red So I will announce them.
And if you want come on Mugo, just apply one time because almost 8 people don't apply for line.
Right. Now so the matter there.
Hey, I say no, my brother. So move on.
Okay.
Match fire.
Okay, so this topic we discuss them today. So now some topic this way, say for some way we come out, it don't bring we plenty wahala because the thing we didn't say when we talk say democracy for white man book as some person don't talk about, earlier mention them. They say for the people and by the people. Now the first thing that will be the meaning of democracy. For the people and by the people. But the way this democracy dey for the African context, it don't can turn now this kind one now way be now for man no man and by man no man. No be even now for the people and by the people. And because of that, we don't tend to see and say, the way we think they did, the way we think they did. If me are there for up day, when I get some small opportunity where come out, I go call na my own people. I go call. I not go put person where is supposed for be for that place. For Queen Elisa in language, they say by merit. I not go put person where go for there by merit. I go only call na my own man because this man be give me small tima lika tawe abuango for my own post. So me to I get for do one for you. Because of that, we don't tend to see and say the whole system for that we continent. It don't just chakara for some way. Now you see the make up. So any man the only carry it back, he say, I want to go cross now for desert, go find some different place. Because the democracy, it don't fail we. It don't fail we. I just read some article the other day. No, this morning even, when they talk about the German chancellor. They say for...
Hello? Hello, sir?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, move on.
Okay. So, you see and say, the way some people, they live their life, this woman, this German chancellor, Angela Merkel, it be na that kind of person where na people they be put it for there and it be the work na for people them. You will see that mommy, it know the change clothes. Some journalists ask you, say, I say, this woman, you they so they are own clothes, you know they change them. He say, me, I be public servant. I the work na for people them, I no be supermodel. Why I support for the change clothes? Now, places in that way you see and say democracy in the work. Because when people they put you for some place, they make you serve them. You supposed to serve them. Nobody say you want to serve now yourself. Then you serve your family and your brother or your sister them. Especially for this with African context. Because when people they put you for some place, they don't say you're supposed to represent their interest. And if you don't feel represent their interest, then which way it is? At the end of the day, this thing it don't fail. This thing it don't fail we. Now the thing make una they see person don't go university, it don't feel degree. No, they fit get work because he know person where he know some person, he know some person. You know, they say, I know a guy who knows a guy that knows another guy that can get you there.
Okay, Prof.
The kill with, and now the small messages where the one pass across for with people there this evening.
Thank you very much, Prof. Thank you very much. We appreciate your contribution. Thank you very much. Well, I hope so our people don't listen and all they don't really like what you get for talking. Thank you, Prof.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, country people, Mr. Fange, one would say a very big thank you for that light way you don't try for put and for people they may try for understand. Now just exactly the same thing way the host be asked me for yesterday, which I try for understand like this democracy. You see, as I try for talk, now the same thing way you don't put them. The place where the people they put you for the place. They don't say no, now this one go for me for year. They say government for the people, by the people, and for the people. Now you don't go, they don't put you for the after you turn your back, you look now different thing. Just as you try for talk for they say you look now. Who put you for there? You know, every look who put you for there. Now you start look now. You look at how your own life it matter. You don't care about how the people where they put you for there, their life it matters. So they try for talk this thing there for. Sorry. So they try for talk this thing just as you try for talk for freshman say. They on the get keken, they take the keken. For this man, when I bring you for here, you only think that for your own side. You know, one tip of the general, I mean, the whole people where you see how their well-being it be. You know, this democracy, there's some people they always think for Europe, for America, now they bring them for we. Tell we say democracy is a very good thing, but when they don't come now, carry for we Africa now, with the abuse them.
Okay, we'll go get second person on the line. Mother, Alpha.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Mama G.
Yeah. So, Mama G,
good evening, Papa G.
Papa G
I'm
is back.
going to welcome to a newborn baby.
Yeah, thank you.
So, Mama, why don't you share your opinion about this topic for today, democracy? All we know people come out Africa and we come out Cameroon in particular. So, you think that so this democracy thing for Cameroon don't really work because I think that way, if you read Cameroon document them, all our book of Cameroon, it's just being a democratic country. But for your opinion, it don't really work fine or not?
And as they say, we never end. From the word itself, we know saying a thing when a concept where everyone gets to be free. But instead, this concept, this word democracy, it don't backfire back. It backfire for the level where we don't even know side will be safe. We don't even know. We just live by the mercy of God. When we be here, the word democracy as we be the goal, we feel say it's a very good thing. But along the line, we come to realize and say, we are living in total, I don't even know how I can put it here because since I don't even define the word, I need a fit even see from dictionary again. Because our leaders, they don't push me for back and they don't colonize me. So we are being enslaved in our own mother's land. So that word maybe supposed to exist again for the country we will come out looking at things. Most of we they out here are not supposed to be outside because the government has failed. Our leaders are not failed we. So that word not even supposed to exist again at all. You know, whatever we're not supposed to come up for a country where we democratic word whatsoever. Because it's an authoritative country. They don't use that word rather than authoritative leadership on our waiting. We are not free to speak. We are not allowed to express your mind. So that word not supposed to exist again. We get teachers, we get lawyers, we get so many workers where they don't go school, they don't go to professional schools, where they thought after professional college will be employed. But come to think of it, after that one, you are still left to ride Okada in the street. Even for the Okada self, they don't go even leave you a managed life with it, they will still follow you. So why using that word when it doesn't exist? Gone are those days when that word democracy was existing. Okay, because come to think of it, well, see how most of us suffer for outside here, where we are professionals, we are civil servants back in our country, and we are not given that opportunity. It hurts some of us so much. So that word not even supposed to exist. We are living in a dumbfounded country. We come up as a country, they say Africa, and so our leaders, they all over, minus our own country. All over Africa, if you say all over, or whether now West Africa, or Central Africa, or now go big book, the thing is just worry. That word not supposed to exist if I'm concerned. So there's no democracy in our country. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mama G. Thank you, Mama. Thank you very much. So, Mr. Ano, what's your comment about Mama G to come?
Thing Mama G to come, it not be far from the point for thing I get to talk. This thing say democracy, it didn't have a paper. I don't know whether you write on paper. They know the follow. They know the follow the democracy. You didn't have paper. Because most of these will lead us here. When they want something, they will come deceive we. They talk about democracy of the people and for the people. You know the work. I think that what I talk say it didn't just for paper. They become lie, you say, when I go be so, I go do this one, I go do this one, I go do this one. You say no? But when they finally sit down, they do not their own. So now that I talk say this thing, it then are just for paper, you know the LM. For Africa, they know they follow democracy. They know they follow. We no go study, and then now we no get work.
Okay. Continue here for one other caller. Mr. Eric, good evening, sir.
Good evening, my brother.
How's the weather for Pechebu now?
The weather for Pechebu is very good now, but rain don't fall regularly these past days.
Okay. Now, I'll be chief for that end. So, we'll continue. One day, as I say, so may you share with us your own take on this topic. Say, we Africans, we the people, who don't benefit for this democracy thing we say for Africa, because I know say our country get democracy as it for our book them and so learn about school. But we don't benefit, the idea don't benefit or the benefit from the thing. May you carry on.
Okay, first of all, I'll start by applauding you, Kelly, and your team for this very good initiative. Yeah, I see the work where you put down, and then I see your effort. So I pray, say, may God bless, may God open the way for you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll start by defining the word democracy because we give a first understand what the democracy means. Yeah, because they say democracy is a government of the people by the people. Meaning the people Meaning that the people they meaning that the people they directly choose their representatives them for government. Yes, so it means they be assumed say once the people don't choose their representatives, those representatives they will work according to the people. Yeah, now the simple definition that. And then before white man want come for Africa, they practice their own kind of democracy. That means that they get chief, then they get elders. So they will use to meet up with palace, elders, they sit on for round table. Where those elders, each elder represent a family. So for me, in those days, it's been at the best form of democracy now. So coming back to the present day, so the white man can introduce his own democracy now, but the reality for Africa, I say, it be more on paper than it is in reality. Okay, Popo go rig election 1 million times, he go win. He go talk say he don't win democratically. Yeah, same thing will happen for Nigeria and other African countries. Yeah, so it be presumed say those leaders, they actually go through a democratic process, they win democratically, they be democratically elected. But where now the contrary they happen. So in my opinion, the democracy never really benefit African countries in any way, apart from few countries like Ghana, yeah, where they practice democracy close to the reality of the way we're supposed to be. So you know the benefit now because then they practice the democracy the way it did for paper. Yeah, not the thing that. So from my opinion, it never benefit Africa, and you know the benefit Africa in any way.
Okay, but thank you very much for that contribution. Really appreciate yeah, thank you very much. So Mr. Eba, you don't hear to hear about that Eric don't talk. So what's your comment for the thing we don't talk about?
Okay, countryman. Democracy for Africa is there for different level. How democracy for Africa is there for different level? It depends on the tyrannic, like how tyrant the leader be. Like if you just completely flip out democracy, say no, I do something for Africa. When I put a mirror for a place like Nigeria, they go on with what they call and say a federal system of government. So when you take that a federal system of government, you take and compare with some other African country where a single president don't take and put and catch him. We say just catch and hold him tight. A particular man whole country tight. So you see I'm saying this, so for Nigeria a system where they elect their governors, like to an extent, the democracy for Nigeria, it passed the democracy for other countries. So, but in a nutshell, democracy for Africa, it just depends at the level of the country. So there be some country then for Africa where, like, have you said 20%, the democracy, like, it's not up to 20%, the democracy in a complete failure. And vis-a-vis some other country then for Africa, like Nigeria, I will still repeat that, where to an extent, Nigeria, Ghana, where their democracy, it don't benefit them to an extent.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
Yeah.
Okay, NPP or Mr. Randy, good evening, sir.
Good evening. I want to salute all the people the way they did for studio this evening. And I really want to thank you for the good work we do. I really like your programs a lot, and we are really benefiting from it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So make you carry on with our conversation for today. We Africans don't benefit from democracy or not?
The truth now, democracy, Africans never ever benefit from democracy at all. Because the kind of democracy where they practice and for Africa not be the same democracy where you see the Westerners and they practice. So I don't think, and I don't think say democracy will ever benefit Africa in any way. Now something where they introduced them to we so many years ago, and if you see for the number of years where Africa don't try to struggle with democracy, it haven't benefited them in any single way. If you look at the system where African countries then beget and before was actually working for them before colonization, before the one they colonized them, Africans then they do right. without democracy. Democracy na thing wey na white man bring am, can they introduce am for Africa. Wey na something wey it be good for the white people because the kind of lifestyle where they live and the kind of one way Africans and they live na two different things. They get a developed country, everything be developed, everything be advanced. Likewise, we Africans, them you see and say we never really advance to a certain level, reach the way many Western countries that don't advance. So I think that thing say democracy not just a shame. It's just something which is being used for instead put me down for make and they give me hope, not get any hope say democracy. Actually, Africans and get their own system on which they work on. Because if you look at, for example, inside Thailand, they talk of democracy. That democracy not only mean that the way government get to run. Like if they will tell you say there is freedom of speech in Africa, yes, there are some freedom of speech in Africa, but wait till the freedom of speech don't help any Africans. You know, they help me for anything. If leader do something where it be bad today, or he do something where he not correct, no matter how much you wanna talk about it, you never change it in any way. So it did the same as if you talk the back, but train go that's all pass. Don't not stop train from passing. And they kind of wonder way with the practice for Africa. No matter how much people talk about anything, talk about leaders, the leaders they not really care which way the citizens them, they talk about them. So now what's kind of democracy that way you feel say if you benefit Africa? You know, they benefit Africa for anyway. If you want to look like China today, they not get that thing say democracy, but if you want to look at China, they go ahead. Okay. No matter say some people they not go like them, but China they actually go ahead.
Okay.
And of which country we don't ever give them aid. But unfortunately, fortunately for them, their own system they work for them more than the one who adopt them.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We get for cut off with time, but thank you for the contribution, and we will keep we will do it regularly. So we really love and see more that they call in for participate. So thank you very much, Mr. Randy.
I'm very, very pleased. Thank you so much.
So, Mr. Charlie, don't hear what you are about talk about the system. So maybe we will need to do good to democracy because it's not our system. So we think we'll talk about that one.
Yes, Mr. Randy, thank you very much for your contribution. Yes, what I want to try for talk now say the word democracy. For me, I believe it's a very good thing way the Western way they introduce it for we. The word democracy, but now we the abuser. That word democracy means all we know the definition, which means if we stick for the real meaning of that democracy, na very good thing. But now, when we don't bring up our own leaders, we choose who will get for B, where that way democracy standing by, no man over touch it. The way democracy stand by in a very good way, if any man follow him for the real terms, the real definition, we will talk say, no, this one, not a very good person. The way democracy is a very good thing. Now, when I introduce him, right? But now we go carry on, we go bring in our own leader, we stick on the definition of democracy now. That definition where me say that person will put on, make it stand for our need. Anything we want time, anything we want to do, make it stand by our side. But you see the person we want to do everything we put it for front. He can abuse that particular word, democracy.
Thank you, Mr.
Understand? So the word democracy itself, it not any problem. Now our leaders when we would put them for front, that then they make that particular word now look at it as a very bad thing.
Okay. Thank you very much. Mr. McClare, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Kelly. How far?
We there. How about the other end?
Masa, we thank God. Chai.
Okay.
I said, before you want even talk about that topic, I want to just congratulate all Una Shidong for your team.
Thank you, Mr. McClare. Thank you.
I really appreciate the work Una don't put in. They say when you start from small, a journey is starting with one step. And wait till I don't try to put that in. I really appreciate that. And I like the level where it go, especially now we link with like people for other people that for contribute their own ideas for the program. So now so will grow. So I really want to congratulate all on for there and wanna keep doing the good work. Yes.
Thank you.
So it's salute for all, man.
Thank you, Mr. Mekli. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, Mr. Mekli, we'll carry on, right? You think that this democracy for Cameroon in particular and Africa in general, it don't benefit we or not?
Seriously, right? First of all, that word, I don't listen, and I think most of the people they don't talk, they don't actually bring in that definition of that word democracy, which is voting, or citizens, they choose their leaders. But to answer the question, I don't ever think democracy don't ever help, especially we Cameroonians, Cameroon, a country. We are not focused on my own country, Yes, if you don't help some other countries, but I think we Africans generally, if I want to generalize, it never ever help we for no way, because there is no need doing that. First of all, I idea we come on for white man. Yeah, because I believe before we want to be colonized, we will not really practice our own form of our own system. We don't work. But white man can we own say democracy neither he can. Then it just it just can upset our own lifestyle. It can upset the whole our own system. Our system just change, and the democracy we practice now, it is a favor on a white man, not we. Yeah, just they say we'll be controlled by them indirectly. If you say now we be we'll be empowered, but at the end of the day now we suffer, because if you look at our country, every year the say rape popolon, it don't rig elections. But there's nothing that is done to change that. Every year, no change. The same thing. Okay, we will choose leader. The year we will say, okay, may not A be the leader of this this decade or this time. But at the end of the day, you want to say no, election don't change, no, Nadipa don't win. We know. They say they know, say we know the match where they don't play up inside. So at the end of the day, it's pointless. That democracy not just some word we know the real definition itself, we know the practice them. Yes. I really wish things would be back the way they did before. Because at the end of the day, things that it was for Africa, plenty African countries, they go through the same thing where we go. Maybe Ghana, they favor them for some way, okay, but Africans, I say, oh no, it's never ever favor we for no way. Yeah, so I don't think now some word that way we don't need for even mention and say that for Africa. Yes, we don't need for just Africans, they need to find their own system. Their own system where they could govern their own their nation, Not be one man who can't tell everything we will get for them. Okay. Because in the favor you see for America, okay, President Obama, maybe he will rule maybe for the next 4 years. They change hands. Yeah, maybe if you want to go second term, okay. But we need to practice. You see, I say it favor on them, but they don't bring enough for we. Then I don't know the kind of sense where we would use to own. Then they say punish we the citizens the way we vote. So at the end of the day, sometimes the voting say not even be needed. Even be it's pointless voting, because go waste time, stand for line, say you want to go vote. So you want to choose your leader. At the end of the day, your leader not be chosen because they the place or they the mago for that place. So for me, that democracy there, so if they feel just move and say a dictionary, say for we Africans, it will even better.
Okay, Mr. Mekli, thank you very much for your contribution. I love the way you don't put your heart into really expressing the whole point, and I hope that so our viewers they go listen, they go benefit a lot. Say everything our platform is being made now for creating awareness and help to educate others. So really appreciate all your effort. Thank you, sir.
No, thank you. Una put power.
Thank you. And so, Mr. Arnold, 1 minute, right? What Mr. Mekli has said, so this system the work with you. So it's nothing said, so maybe the system be the problem, but the people be the problem.
Yeah, thing where it talk, it be right. Thing where it talk at last, nothing where it be there for my mind say this democracy, it be for Cameroon. For me, no, me they move on for that dictionary when it comes to Cameroon. Me they move democracy from the dictionary.
Let me say the word democracy should be.
Me they move on from
Clean
dictionary
off.
for Cameroon.
Me move on from dictionary.
Me student the way they study for school, me they not study that thing say democracy because it not the help them in any way. For me, if you talk say democracy, it help individuals for Cameroon. Yes, not only individuals, not the population.
Okay.
Not just a particular individuals where that democracy as that word in quotes. You see, now what I say, even for dictionary, they go put that in quotes like individuals.
Okay,
So
okay.
it only help not only individuals.
So we'll go for the next person, Mr. Etienne for Kalasin. Bro Alpha.
Oh, fine, Opa. And a good evening for house.
Good evening, Mr. Etienne. How are you doing? How far?
No, doing great, sir.
So Mr. Etienne, we did fine. Thank you for take the time for talk with me today and for share more knowledge with our society, with our friends, with our brother and our sister. So hopefully, so whatever way you share, it will go a long way for help our society for become better than what it is now. So Mr. Etienne, should immediately democracy don't benefit we Africans or we Cameroonians or not?
Yes, I don't hear plenty people don't talk how democracy don't do this, don't do that. But me, I feel talk for my own self, say democracy don't benefit we for Africa plenty.
Okay.
It don't benefit we plenty. If anything don't fail for Africa, not the democracy itself, but not the people them. Now the people then when we look at what we get for Africa now, these schooling issues, them, investment them where they come in, economic reforms them where they carry on for our country. Now I think the way they know will be possible before time will be ruled by kings and where they get absolute power. All these things them they come in place now because of the talk with the opportunity we don't get them for talk and for contribute, even if when we talk they need to take them. But some of these things they will get them for Africa. We not deny say we not get all these things for Africa investment. No, they come plenty. So this thing is so, and what is this thing they bring them? They bring alongside what we people they call and say GDP. When GDP it be increased for we continent now because of this small factor the way I don't name and so. And when we talk about the other side, because no one know what if democracy nobody waiting for happen. Because until they exist, fine for talk about that. So if Africa they break today, we never die, and democracy day for Africa, then we must give that applause, we must clap hands more for democracy. So my own contribution with that.
Thank you very much, Brother Etienne. We'll be very happy. So we don't get 1-4. We don't really elaborate more about what you think. Say democracy don't do for we for Africa. So by the time we thank you very much and we appreciate your time.
We thank you too. Thank you plenty.
Okay. So Mr. Ibai, you don't hear which is our last caller, don't just talk to this. So for your own opinion, democracy now win for Africa. That we don't benefit from this democracy thing for Africa. So what you go for talk more about this thing?
Yeah. They talk for Bibi Grammar say I concord with him, and I want counteract the speaker where he talk before he. Yeah. The man will talk about the situation of China, say this, so China, it go well. My brother, if you go detail for China, you be Chinese citizen. Like like talk about the Chinese system of government. Now just until we would see on the shadow, we will know the inside. But if you go detail, you know which way it happen inside China. You go clap hand for democracy for a democratic country. Like many of we today will say this, so why we want to say America and our bus stop? Let me say we go pick money for quarter. Now the freedom way they go get them for day. Okay, I will support what way my brother talk small time, please.
Yes.
The African failed democracy, maybe democracy failed Africa.
Okay.
So for the country then where the democracy penetrates small, they don't benefit much. Because when we look about the absolute time where this will not be ruled by a king. Like human being, like get some king because say this so he there for state like he there for state like head there for a body. For that system, you also say this so it's a situation where you supposed to talk for house where you contribute for bill and get nothing for talk. So for the country where democracy penetrates more, democracy is a big win. So absolute power, like the Chinese situation where my brother Rikutan, if you go closer to China a little bit, because I go want those people where they talk about, say, we'll go for our old system. That system, may they try for enlightening with more on that African old system. Democracy, now a big win for Africa to an extent. Now a big win for Africa.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bai. While the way the next caller for come in, and Brother Charlie, just which way, Mr. Bai, you concur and say democracy, we don't really benefit from democracy for Africa.
Thank you, Mr. Host. Mr. Etienne, I want to say thank you very much for that contribution. You know me say if one for say democracy don't do a negative part, it never do some other positive things for we.
Yeah.
Democracy don't come with something where at least it don't help us to an extent. And those way my brother Arnold be trying to talk for saying that individuals they want to try to take the democracy now for put out for their own benefit. Where it means say our own leaders, those people where the democracy put we say they bring us a democracy, make we find who way it get for lead us and make it be for our needs, make it be for our cry. When CS1 come out, it get for stand by our side. Individuals, certain individuals they take the democracy, will put them for that place and they take them for make their own private benefit, for make them to enrich themselves or whatsoever. But even after that, we know if we put all countries for East Africa say they never benefit anything from this word democracy. Some countries they even though we know if we call all, but if we just say like for example, even the Ghana where they try, some countries they try for keeper, even though we know if we call some other countries the way they abuse us as from onset here. So some people they abuse the word democracy.
Okay, Mr. Alex, welcome on board, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Good evening for house, everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. How are you doing?
No, everything is fine.
Okay, Mr. Alex, we also will be African like we for a year, and all of us would try to figure out about this democracy thing for Africa. When they say most countries of Africa, I give for their book saying democratic country, election, all those kind of things they involve. But for your own mind, deep down, so it is that really the Africa or not? For most Cameroon, for a particular.
As far as I'm concerned, in Africa, there is no democracy. Africa as a whole is more like a monarchy instead of a democracy. That name said democracy not just for pen and for book. Just imagine, say, democracy, even in the form of government where people then be allowed to choose their own president or their own leader by a vote. But nowadays, before they want even go vote self, they don't really know president. So that vote not just camouflage. And we talk say all that is a democracy. There is no democracy in Africa.
Okay. So if you give us some instances the way make you come to that conclusion, democracy is not there for Africa. Some simple instances.
There is no example that I want to say. Like, okay, if you look at the way we can choose our leader today for Africa.
Yes.
Most especially our president. When they say presidential election, nearly for all African presidents, you will see, just imagine, say, president will rule for decades. Like they are just like so angry of power mongers. They don't want to leave the power. Why? Because there is no democracy.
Okay.
If only truly, not true saying that people then choose their leader. Like I not think say to go for Africa and also for me.
Okay.
Because just imagine say they will want to go vote where they don't even know who will be the president. That thing say just go for one vote, not just for saying they just vote. But for the real thing, Africa as a whole, to me, now a monarchy, not a democracy.
Okay. Thank you very much, Brother Alex. Thank you very much for your very brief explanation. We appreciate your time. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you.
So, I don't hear to our brother, I don't talk you don't say so for your own opinion, that democracy is just something where it's there for document, but not there for practice. And Mr. Arnold, since that assessment correct, so?
No, for me, you're not correct. Even say for country Cameroon, democracy there.
It's not say they not just on paper, but in practice, they.
No, they practice them.
Okay.
For some particular places.
To an extent.
Yes, to an extent. So enough you talk say no say then only for paper, no.
Okay. One time all man we don't participate for this our show. It was on they never come, but we'll just continue with the show. And I've said so we don't really talk enough, and we don't try for share our ideas and opinion about this thing. But before we go, Mugi contribute for studio, maybe one minute for give their last remark about this democracy thing for Africa, and if they think it's a bit of benefit of not. So we'll start with Mr. Ebai. Mr. Ebai, we can end the show. I do listen with all the people that don't talk. So wait to be your take before we go.
Well, democracy contribute in a fine thing, but it never benefit much Africans because we abuse them. So what will the big African them? I say this: whether you be who, whether if they put you for small jangi house, make sure say that jangi house may be your own. Road and jangi house for the year way na your time. You live in jangi house, make other person to be president because even people then where they put them small quarter head. Like I remember from a quarter, just for move one quarter head. If it didn't think way, it became for go for deals. Yeah, just for a quarter head for leave power. It became for go now for deals. So Africa and power. So if they put you for day, it don't mean say this so now you must be for day. Now say now one man supposed to rule that place for that time. So if they put you for day, my brother, my sister, rule am for your own time, you come out so that other man will enter, so that idea that they will change. So democracy na very fine thing, but Africa they abuse them. So more struggle for same Africa. It be a democratic society. So I beg more no like good example say China more no look those kind of example them. Because if you go detail, you go deep for something that way they happen for that country where democracy no day. My brother, you go shed tears. You say your boss stop every day in America, the city token, maybe say money they try for America now because na free society. Thank you, my countryman.
Mr. Mutekodaura and Fokan for Middle. And Mr. Anno.
For Muturu for her.
Yeah, can I be part of that? Now you close all thing for we.
Okay. Country people, nothing talk say democracy na a failure in Africa.
Yeah.
Because I think say democracy in Africa na 50-50. Because for some countries in Africa, we have free and fair elections.
Yeah.
Yes. So now I talk say it be 50-50. Now I talk say for some country they get fair and they get fair election. Yeah. Free and fair election. Some
like what have just happened in Zambia.
Yes, but for some other countries, it not be free and fair. Yeah. And we get multipartism. That is, people they get to understand the meaning of democracy. We get multipartism politics system, multipartism system.
Yeah, most countries, countries.
That is democracy. So we not feel only talk say na just a failure. It not fail totally. Now that we talk say 50-50. And if we talk about individuals, they take the democracy, individuals. Not be failure that. Because they take them by themselves. They promise we something, but they do different thing.
Democratically put them for there.
Yes, democratically we put them for there, yes. But they do different things.
Okay, thank you.
So not talking a failure.
Thank you, Mr. Ando. Yeah. So we go to the Powerful House. So we close the thing for we. Powerful House, stay away. What will be a take for this our topic for today?
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Host, for this good conclusion. Now I want to try to put them for here. The word democracy at itself, me, I don't ever talk say. I'll try for be a bit differ with my brother for here for say 50-50 with this word democracy. As far as Africa, I mean, it be concerned.
Let me just know some other countries.
We have more than 200 countries in Africa. So if majority of these countries are for Africa, they don't mean our way they dictate, they abuse this word democracy. That it means as if we get, for example, we get maybe 5 or 10. Then we get 5 or 10 where they practice the democracy. Fine, where they get democratic, everything move on. Then if they rest 50, then they abuse and then we'll talk that says failure. I mean, failure will still come. I'll put around like 80% where it is for the democracy where they fail in Africa. Even though we're not going to talk say it failed completely because we still get some countries where they still practice. And I want to talk where say this one go like advice for most of our leaders. Even though the democracy is there, they make our leaders try forever follow that word democracy. They cry of the people. They cry of those who make you, when they make you be for that place. Make we not always abuse this word say democracy. Make we try to look which way our people they want them. And if which way our people they want them, we always provide them for them, then that word democracy will ever remain 100% perfect. Even though we know say it be difficult for ever democracy, any country for ever practice 100%. But then if we try, if any country practice democracy at least 50%, that means that country now God ordained nation. 100% democracy, I don't say nothing ever before no country because there must be some rigging somewhere. This one, those our leaders they must do one or two things where it not go favor those people they put you for that place. So country people, we will not say as far as democracy is concerned in Africa, it don't benefit us, but not 100% or not even 50%. So me our leader they try to see how they can improve. Because this is what democracy may always be for the people. By the people, me always stand by for following the definition of the word.
Okay.
Thank you, country people.
Thank you very much, Powerful House. Thank you for this, your elaboration. We hope our viewers will really benefit what you don't talk about. And we want to use the opportunity to thank all the people that don't call us today for talking about the democracy thing. This, so knowledge will be very important, and if we learn to share our knowledge, we go learn from each other. Remember, knowledge is power, right? So if we get the knowledge that we put it in practice, we will go very far. So one time, everybody don't call in, and we'll talk again. So this is our show, and first ever style this will have a change, and for some people then call in for talk on the topic again. And we'll go review which people don't respond. And especially if we see people really like the idea, then we'll keep on going. Mr. Now we'll continue with them for the next shows that we'll host every Tuesday and every Thursday. So please now put a comment for the comment section for tell we how we think about the show so that it will help you for either for continue or wait for do or something for fix up. And one other thing, if you be say this is something they will not be like about the show, if you just leave a comment then so that we'll fix them for now. Thank you very much for that. And we don't come to the end for today's show. So everybody, Sawadee Krap.